Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet another variation of the knotted half double crochet stitch. I had mentioned in an earlier video that when I first came across this stitch and someone had asked about it, I came across two different ways to work it, so I wanted to do video tutorials for both. You'll find the first variation already here on my channel, and this is our second one. It's worked slightly differently than the first. It looks slightly different than the first one, as you can see. It's a wonderful stitch, features some great texture. This is the front side of it, and this is the back. It's fairly smooth and straightforward. For our tutorial today, I'm going to be using a little bit of a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Down in the description of this video, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. Also down in the description, you'll find direct links to my two crochet books available on Amazon, Crochet Stitches and Barn Quilt Blankets, and those are there for you to take a look at down in the description. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Don't forget to take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today can be any number of stitches. Today I'm going to go ahead and chain 20 chains. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. Once you come all the way across, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to begin by working one single crochet into our first stitch, and this is going to be a bit of an anchor stitch. You're then going to work a yarn over slip stitch, or sometimes it's referred to as a half double crochet slip stitch, into the next stitch. To work with this yarn over slip stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Then draw that loop through the 2 loops on your hook. That's your yarn over slip stitch, or your half double crochet slip stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across until 1 stitch remains. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and draw that loop through the 2 loops on your hook. Continue all the way across. Once you come all the way across and have one stitch remaining, you're going to finish off this row with a single crochet into that final stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. Now for row 3, we're simply going to single crochet into this first stitch and single crochet into each stitch all the way across. Once you come all the way across, chain 1, turn your work, and now for the repeat in your pattern, that's it. You're simply going to repeat your row 2, beginning with the single crochet, followed by your yarn over slip stitches all the way across, and then ending with a single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and work a row of single crochet stitches all the way back. And that's all there is to working this knotted half double crochet stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.